Transitions, Rahul, are rarely linear, right?
Huh.
So
Right.
there's a mix of emotions, uncertainty, fear of the unknown, grief of what's being left behind,
Mm.
excitement of all those new opportunities and
Mm.
possibilities, and sometimes guilt of, even wanting change.
Mm.
And when one faces each one of these personally,
Mm.
you realize that transitions are emotionally intense.
Mm.
And that is where it's a phase where one holds both endings
Right.
and beginnings simultaneously.
Mm.
So this simultaneous endings and beginnings,
Mm.
people don't realize that. And when I
Right.
realized that personally, I was like, it's so important for everyone to know that this is the only Venn diagram common point where
Mm.
you can never be in this phase ever,
Mm.
at least in this context. Maybe in a
Right.
different context, yes. Like, so
Huh.
for example, someone is leaving a job, and it isn't about just starting something new, but it's also
Right.
about getting your family routine, familiar routine,
Mm. True.
colleagues, part of your identity.
Mm.
In between stage, it creates a storm of emotions.
Mm.
That's why the purpose of wanting to make one understand that if
Mm.
one doesn't pause and process it, it will
Mm.
definitely feel like a chaos.
Mm.
If embraced consciously, these transitions can become powerful periods of growth. And
Mm.
that's where, when I personally started analyzing this
Huh.
while learning about coaching, life coaching, and
Right.
everything, because as
Right.
coaches, the best part is whatever we learn, we implement in ours. And
Mm.
if you're
Right.
so self aware about all these things that
Mm.
just clicks you. So I remember watching a TED talk, and it was based on Eat, Pray, Love
Mm.
video.
Mm.
And she was saying about genius, the concept of genius.
Right.
So typically, we are not geniuses. Genius comes to
Mm.
us.
Mm. Yeah.
When you start
Love that.
thinking from that perspective,
Right.
it's just that an individual cannot just be genius every single time, and it's too much of an expectation to have from a person.
Mm. Mm.
So I think that moment genius just came to me, right? When I thought DYC, I knew DYC
Mm.
should be the brand, but then genius came to me saying, make it discover your calling.
Right.
Similarly, genius came to me saying, Arya, transition. So many
Mm.
transitions you faced, your growth. You were a biotech person doing MBA and then doing life coaching. What is
Right.
but
Right.
you discovered in the whole path, at that point you would be confused, why am I doing this? But now things make sense rather than complaining. So this is why I think this transition coaching is so important, and for everyone it's so important to embrace change rather than
Mm.
running away from it,
Right.
feeling guilty for it.
Mm. Mm. Beautiful.